Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be following Whitney Simmons' full day of eating videos to make my food for the entire day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. So, I usually don't cook for myself, or if I do, I make really simple meals, which is why I decided to follow Whitney Simmons' videos to see what I can make simply by watching her videos. See if I can make the meal as healthy as she can and all that. And also in this video, I'll be mix and matching her meals. For example, she likes to eat oatmeal for breakfast and I never eat oatmeal, so I'm not gonna go out of my way to buy oatmeal just for this video. So instead, I'm gonna replace it with yogurt from her other video, which I really enjoy. So let's get into it. So first thing first, I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's and get some ingredients and get some snacks for myself. And I'm about to head to Trader Joe's, and I brought my own backpack and reusable bag so I can get all my groceries because I'm biking there. Okay, so I just went to Trader Joe's and got a bunch of groceries. I had a list and I basically bought everything I wanted or substitute of whatever I wanted to get, but here's what I got. So for breakfast, I think I'm gonna do the breakfast tacos with this. So I couldn't find the almond flour tortillas, so I got these, and then spinach and avocado and beans and rice. And I think I'll use this meat because I didn't get the one in the video, couldn't find it. And I got this is like one of my favorite drinks from Trader Joe's. It's a sparkling coconut water with yuzu. It actually like is so good, so I love that. And these are like the snacks I got. So I got the dark chocolate covered fruit pieces. I got some pretzels for Christmas, and I got kale chips, and I got baby carrots with hummus. In the Whitney Simmons video, she did rice cakes with hummus, but I don't really like rice cakes. I prefer baby carrots, so I got baby carrots. And then I got the spicy salmon gyoza because it's just something I've like never heard of before. And then I have Greek low-fat yogurt, and these are like two kind of weird flavors that I got. And I got some berries to go with that and have granolas in my room. And then I got this big tofu with this asparagus saute mix so I can make a stir fry for dinner. So first, I'm gonna make breakfast. I think the breakfast tacos. I've actually never made breakfast tacos, so let's see how it goes. So here's the kitchen, and I've just laid down like all my ingredients for the breakfast tacos, and I have Whitney's video pulled up so I know what to make. So first I'm making the meat because I didn't get the right meat, so I'm gonna have to like stir fry these meat a little bit so I can put it in my taco. While my meat is cooking, I got out 2 eggs, and I should probably drain the beans, so I think that's what I'm gonna do while the meat is cooking. So I've actually never used a can opener. finished breakfast, and that took like way longer than expected because I literally never cook, and you know, cooking skills not that great, and I literally didn't know how to use a can opener, so the can like opened from the side somehow, and then like I like picked it up and the juice just came out like everywhere. I was like, oh, this is a mess. And then my scrambled eggs looked disgusting, so I was like, oh, hopefully this is edible. But here is my breakfast tacos. Does not look as good as the Whitney's, but you know, college student out here trying to make some breakfast tacos. Okay, so I just got back from the gym and I'm a little hungry, so I'm gonna eat this Greek low-fat yogurt, almond butter coconut flavor from Trader Joe's, and mixed berries with it, and granola, of course. So yeah, this is like one of my favorite granolas, just the kind, like healthy grains. And yeah, on my way back from the gym, I picked up a big package, and it's actually my new camera, so I'm so excited to try this new camera. I got the Canon PowerShot G7X, which is apparently a lot of vloggers' favor. Ooh, ooh, look at that. I'm so excited to try this new camera. Wow, it feels a little heavy, but you know, I'm excited. Okay, so this is actually my first footage on this new camera, and I'm really hungry, so I think I'm gonna try to make these dumplings. It's so weird. It's spicy salmon gyoza from Trader Joe's, but I think I'm gonna try to make them because I'm really hungry and want a snack before dinner, and I have something to go to later, so I've gotta eat something. So I'm gonna try to make it in a microwave actually, so we'll see how this goes. So my dumplings just got out of the microwave. They look a little odd, like this color is a little bit odd, but I'm gonna eat it with this teriyaki sauce I have from Trader Joe's, and hopefully it's good because, I mean, it's just a snack, so it's not as bad, but we'll try this. So for this meal, I'm gonna try to be quick, so I'm gonna use this Trader Joe's baked tofu and this asparagus sauté mix. So now that I finished stir frying or sauteing this vegetables, I'm just gonna add like rice and stuff to it, so then it completes a meal, and I'll put some hot sauce on because I love hot sauce. And I have been writing this paper all day long, which is why I'm wearing these glasses, because they're like blue light glasses and like helps me when I have to look at computer for a long time. So right now I'm having a snack. Baby carrots and roasted garlic hummus from Trader Joe's. And in Whitney's video, her snack was rice cakes and hummus, but I don't really like rice cakes, so I got baby carrots instead as a snack. But yeah. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe and turn your notifications on so you never miss another video with me. Thank you for watching.